As of last evening, it is estimated that we have administered in excess of 2.5 million doses of the vaccine. And I know colleagues will be aware that the exact number right now is not possible to provide, as the data from the GP practices all over the country cannot be reported back to the central system. But Lascian Corla, I have to say, I'm delighted to be able to share this with colleagues. I was speaking with the HSC and with the task force and with the department this morning to get our very latest estimates, and I'm delighted to be able to share that we believe that by the end of this week, half the adult population in our country will have received at least one vaccine dose. And what a wonderful thing for us to be able to discuss and share this morning. And I know colleagues will join me in expressing on behalf of the government, on behalf of the Oireachtas, our enormous thanks.